Afternoon, welcome. This is Neco year 2020 English Objective Past question number 21. And the instruction here says that shows the word that is most appropriate interpretation for the each of the following sentence. And the sentence here says, at 90, my mother-in-law is still in the pink. In the pink. So, and this question is from what we call idioms. And in idioms, to be in the pink means in good health. So option A say beauty, B say free, C say healthy, D say opsy, E say resourceful. So by this interpretation of this idiomatic expression, which simply means to be in good health, therefore option C is correct. So it means that at 90, my mother-in-law is still in good health. So option C is correct. Thank you and God bless you. Kindly subscribe for more of our videos.